And today we're going to be talking about this gold bar cart. It has double mirror shelves, as you can see right there, which are very, very clean, nice mirrors. You have locking wheels, so you can lock it and unlock it after you park it. It's got this big gold circle in the back, and you see it has the rail around the top for supporting glasses and bottles if you were rolling this around. Super easy to assemble. I put it together in maybe 10 minutes. You only needed one tool that it came with, and it only took about 16 screws all together to put it together, and it was just really simple and easy to put together. As you can see, it's quite easy to spin around and roll around. It does come with the wheels pre-installed. Actually, the only thing you have to put together is you just have to put the legs on and put the circle in the back. It's 1/2-inch square tube, painted gold. The mirrors are real glass mirrors. It's packaged very well, so the mirrors come in good shape. I didn't have any issues. The shelf of the cart is 33 inches height with an overall height of about 37¼ inches. The shelf is 3 feet wide and let's see, 15 inches deep. Like I said, comes well packaged. Real glass mirrors, steel shelves painted gold, and easy assembly. If you're interested in this cart and you want to see me actually put it together, just stick around and keep watching. Let's get to building. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. You have your hardware set right here with your little instruction guide on the inside. We're just going to dump that out. It does give you the Allen wrench to put this all together. And it is a single page of instructions, which is usually a pretty good thing, meaning that it's probably quite simple to assemble. Yep, and we only have 4 steps to put this together. Let's go ahead and get it going. All right, so we're going to start with A. I'm just going to dump all these screws out. Ooh, gold screws. Check those guys out. And as you can see, everything's gold painted. It comes with mirrors. It's got a decorative circle that goes in there somewhere. Okay, so this is part A. So we're going to take C, D, E, and F and put those on next. This is D, E. Now we just need C. All right, so we have our C, D, E, and F. According to this diagram, we actually need 2 Fs. And see, on the bottom rail, right here on the bottom, we're going to put an F, and then a D. So let's do that. Here's the first F. And you're going to see there's a flat spot with rubber. That rubber is obviously for your mirror to rest on. So you're going to want that facing up. We'll just simply get that started. Try to raise this up. It's just a single little screw that goes in there. Okay, so we got the first F in there. We're just going to repeat on the other side as well. Same thing. You want the rubber pad facing up. Okay, and now from the bottom, we're going to put an E. So if you're looking at this, you can see you have F and F on the bottom. These are the wheels down here. Then you're going to put an E up here. And you're going to want the tab facing out the back of the cart. All right. Now that we have that half, we're going to work on the top half now. And we know that the one with the little tab right here, and it's got a double tab, you want the rubber facing up towards the top of the cart. And then on the same side as this one that we just put in, this E, we're going to put D. And C is going to go to the front. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put in this one real quick. So as it stands, yeah, almost anyway, right here on the top of the cart, you have C, then you have D, then you have F, and then you have E, F, F. 2 Fs and an E on the bottom, and then you have a F, a D, and a C at the top. So now that we have all those in, we can move on to the next step. As you can tell, this is extremely simple. There's not a lot of parts to it. Actually, the whole cart is halfway built. All we have to really do is put the other side on and put the decorative circle in the back, and then put the glass in, of course. We're going to go ahead, and the instructions say to put this part, the other half, on next, but I like to do things my own way, and I'm going to put this decorative circle on first. And reason being is I want the support, so we will just screw this on, because on D and E, the 2 tabs that are facing the inside screw directly into the hoop, and you put 2 screws on each side. And just like that, we have the decorative circle in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this top piece here, and I'm just going to kind of set it on top like so, and I'm just going to start putting screws in. And I'm just going to get all my screws started before I tighten up this side. That way I have a little bit of wiggle room to get all the screws started. All right, now that I have all the screws in, I'm going to go ahead and use the wrench and tighten this side up as well. And then after this, all we have to do is put the glass in, put the mirrors. And there you go. We have all the hard work done. So we're just going to stand this up. And I had a little concern, I'm not going to lie, when I was putting this together that it was going to be extremely wobbly. But once everything's tightened down, it actually is quite secure. So now the fun part, we're going to add the glass. Now this glass was extremely well packaged. It went through the mail, and you can see you have two beautiful mirror shelves. And I'm just going to put the first one in, you just drop it in place. And here is the second one. Both shelves are the same size, so it doesn't matter which is top and bottom. And just like that, your bar cart is complete. Okay, so you're going to see that you do have locks on the wheels. The mirrors are just beautiful, and they're just perfect. No flaws whatsoever. You can see it's got a nice gold painted finish. You can see how it screws together right here. And then you can see the top mirror. So just a very, very cool little bar cart for sure. So the bar cart overall was very easy to build. It came well packaged. It only took maybe 10 minutes to screw all the parts together. The instructions were not the greatest, but you're able to make it out if you just use a little common sense. Overall, just a cool little bar cart. I like the dual mirrors. I like the decorative circle in the back. It's got the extra support up here. If you had bottles or whatever and you were rolling it around, it would keep them from tipping, and just a nice accessory for any home. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.